Hi, welcome to another episode of Wide Open Film. Today I will be showing you how to do panoramas with your DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This gimbal has made panoramas to another level, which means you can do all these beautiful, fantastic landscape pictures within 1 minute and one touch of a button. Instead of just hand holding it to share with friends, you can now use your gimbal for really serious photography, and it is really built for a bigger and better panorama. So let's go through the steps that you need to do. First of all, you cannot handhold your gimbal when you're doing panorama. You are best to put the gimbal on a steady tripod and onto the ground or a table. Turn to photo mode, find panorama, touch the button, and then touch the subject of mid-tone somewhere in 1/3 of the distance to the horizon, and that will focus sharply the entire picture. And as you can see, once you start shooting, the phone will take 9 pictures, starting from the left top, moves to the right, and the midsection left, middle right, and the lower section left, middle right. Well, it's about done, and what the smartphone will do is to compute and stitch all the 9 photographs together into one contiguous panoramic picture. And in most cases, this will be just perfect. Now just take note that the near subjects cannot be so near that you will face extreme distortion. So the best to do is to have a landscape or architectural picture. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them on the comments. Give this a like and share it. And I want to thank you for your subscription. I'll see you again. Bye.